Smart contracts, Solidity, the future of programmable money. Today, we explore how smart contracts are changing the world and whether Solidity will become the dominant language of the future. Smart contracts are like vending machines. You input something and, if the criteria match, the outcome is delivered, without needing a third party. Each contract step is verifiable on the blockchain. The code becomes law once deployed. Smart contracts already power real businesses, from lending platforms to NFT markets. Solidity is the main language used in the Web3 world. Think of it as the JavaScript of blockchain. With great power comes great responsibility. Solidity is powerful, but it's not error-proof. Other chains are exploring safer or faster languages. These are worth watching. Let's explore actual use cases where smart contracts are actively managing assets and actions. Solidity developers are in demand. It's a valuable career path in Web3. No matter the language, smart contracts will define the future of automation. Thank you for being part of this exciting conversation. New videos are updated quickly. Remember to subscribe this channel, comment, like, and share. Help equip others to navigate in this new crypto world. Thank you.